Bonjour! Kate was here in Paris. So if you're visiting Europe for the first time and you have only a couple of hours or maybe just a day in a certain city or country and you want to see as many spots as you can, this is what I think you should do. A walking tour.
Technically, free walking tours aren't actually free. They're tips-based. You sign up for free, but by the end of the 3-hour tour, you decide how much it's worth. Sounds fair, right? The average tip I gave was about 10 euros per tour. This guy, for example, Tom from Sandyman's Tours in Paris, he did a pretty good job. Some of the other tour guides, well, they weren't as good. There are tips-based walking tours in almost every city in Europe. All you have to do is go to the most famous tourist spot and look for the tour guides holding a branded umbrella, like these guys over here in Dam Square, Amsterdam.
That's why I use a microphone, because when I raise my voice, I sound like Ozzy Osbourne.
But it's better to sign up early to secure a spot as it gets filled up pretty quickly. There are many groups that offer walking tours in Europe, but my personal favorite is Sandyman's Tours.
It's reliable and super easy to book online. I joined their walking tours in Amsterdam, Madrid, Barcelona, Berlin, and Paris. For Florence, I booked La Bussola Tours. For all the other cities, I just went DIY.
Imagine, I got to see at least 12 spots in just 3 hours per city. Even better, each tour guide gave an alternative point of view, using lots of humor and sarcasm. My kind of tour. Best of all, you get to meet dozens of tourists from around the world. So, if you're heading to a European city for the first time and you want to see as much as you can in just 3 hours, go on a free walking tour. You decide how much it's worth.
And for more travel tips, don't forget to visit k2skier.com.